Hey, what's up, Sam here. So this is the Alldocube iWork GT tablet. Well, I wouldn't say it's a tablet so much because it's powerful and practical enough to be a laptop. I've been with it for some weeks and here's my in-depth review. Should you get it? Let's take a close look. Inside the box, we'll find a 45 watts power adapter, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a multi-language user manual, and of course, the iWork GT. Alldocube was kind enough to send me two types of keyboards, though I'm not sure if this will be included when you're buying the tablet. One is the keyboard with a touchpad, the other is a magnetic floating keyboard, which I really like. I will get to these keyboards later. First, let's check out what's special about the iWork GT. Well, the first thing you will notice about the iWork GT is its design. There are numerous ports on the tablet. You get two USB-C ports and a micro HDMI on the left, a USB-A port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a TF card slot on the right side. Both sides feature a speaker and ventilation inlets. On the top, we have the power key and a volume rocker. Beside that is the air exit vent. There's a fan dissipating the heat when we are doing heavy tasks. As for the back, we have pogo pin for the keyboard. The manufacturer's brand name is fixed in the middle, and Alldocube has placed some disposal instructions underneath. There is a 5-megapixel camera situated on the top right corner. It sounds not that compelling, but this is a tablet. We may use it for entertaining or letter work. In my opinion, as long as it's clear enough to scan a QR code, then I'm all good with it. Moving to the front, we are greeted by a 10.95-inch 1200 by 2000 IPS touch display. As Alldocube told us, it also supports a stylus. That's great, though I haven't tried one. Overall, this is a really well-made and premium tablet with rocket build quality. But how is the performance? Let's check it out. Responsible for the performance is the Intel Core i5-1135G7 with Iris Xe graphics. That's the same processor that Microsoft uses for its Surface Pro 8. Around the 3D mark, here the result. As we can see, the average score is 1267 and iWork GT got 1410, which is above the average, which is good. It seems iWork GT has optimized this very well considering this is a prototype. I was tested a bunch of games there. I could play League of Legends smoothly. As you can see, the FPS is normally at around 40 FPS. That's because I ran a screen recording app in the background and it will consume some performance. If without this software, I can sometimes reach 60 FPS at high graphics and high frame rate. But it will struggle a bit to run other heavier games in high graphics, like GTA, which I played. It's still playable though. To conclude, the iWork GT has one of the most powerful chips that Intel makes for thin and light laptops. I think it's enough for average users and probably more power than the typical tablet user actually needs. I was regularly editing videos over 10 or 15 Chrome tabs, a couple different apps, and even some streaming. It could handle it all decently, and the thermals feel fine, all thanks to its powerful fan. So if you're just using it for light working, like doing some Excel spreadsheets for your boss, writing scripts situation, this couldn't be better. Speaking of writing, I've got to mention the keyboard. The keyboard cover is made of plastic. It's not quite the experience you get from a full-size laptop, but it's manageable. However, I do hope it can be stiffer and sturdier, it just feels a bit wobbly. Whilst for the magnetic keyboard, it has a better design since it props up the tablet and I can adjust to different angles. I love it. For me, I definitely recommend the Alldocube iWork GT. It's got one of the most powerful processors you can find in an ultra-portable device, and it crams it into the beautiful chassis that's unbelievably light and thin. Compared to those big brands, let's say the Surface Pro 8, it costs only a fraction of it. Why not give it a try if you want such a powerful tablet, right? I know it has its downsides like the camera performance or sound. But this don't make the iWork GT a bad device. It's as thin and light as a tablet, but with power of a full-size computer. And it's not compromising too much on the performance. Alright, that's the video. If you are interested in this product, you can find the link in the description. I'm Sammy and we'll see you in the next one.